Wherever you go, compulsory communicate by name. That thing is very, very important. Next, usually what technique I'm always following is how to remember these names. How to remember these names in our, okay, in the series also, there are some people are going to tell, do you know, just my technique. I'm always applying this technique. How I remember this person name is, he's telling, I asked her first time, what your name like? Then that person told Dinesh. Dinesh is the name. Then immediately, how I can remember is I will map this name with already my existing contact. Then immediately I'm going to use the word. Oh, Dinesh. One of my faculty, Oracle faculty name is the Dinesh Van. Okay, this name is very familiar with me. Like immediately I can use this word. Your name is very familiar with me. My faculty name is the Dinesh only. Dinesh sir is there Oracle. If I use this type of terminology, then I never going to forget his name. That's why I remembered well. Okay, like this is the technique usually I'm always applying. Because otherwise, how I can remember multiple names? Okay, there is one person in there. Just we required cart. Okay, we required cart. The person who is going to provide his name is he used the word sir, what is your name? Like I asked her, sir, my name is Parikshit. Observe that Parikshit. My name is Parikshit. What a wonderful name. Very few people are going to keep your name, man. Do you know who is Parikshit? Like I asked her. Yeah, there is some character, sir. Like not some character, man. Special character name is the Parikshit, man. The son of Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu. The son of Abhimanyu. Name is the Parikshit. In Mahabharata, you were right. The person who ruled India for multiple years after Pandavas, the next the person who ruled Parikshit only, your name having that much power, man. Just about his name. I like your name like anything. I like your name like anything. Just I use this word. Do you know? Just before birth only. Why the name Parikshit? Do you know right? What is the reason for that Parikshit like? Ashwadama is going to use Brahmastra. Okay, like so because of Brahmastra, he's going to die. He's going to die before born only. Then immediately Lord Sri Krishna is going to come and is going to provide rebirth for that person. Rebirth for that person. And this Sri Krishna, Uttara, correct. Sri Krishna is going to use the word, okay, this person before born only, before birth only, this person already tested. Already tested this person. I mean, so that's why let me keep the name as Parikshit. In future, with the name Parikshit, this person is going to rule the kingdom like Sri Krishna kept the name as a Parikshit, man. Such type of powerful name you have, like, sir, no one had this much information about my name, sir. Even I got shocked, like, do you know, next time onwards, hey, Parikshit bhai, how are you, man? Like, whenever I'm communicating with that person, can you please tell what about his feeling? He likes me or not?
Definitely you will like.
Just a few minutes, 5 minutes at least I spent only on his name. I told complete story about his name. Sir, I too don't know. I too don't know this much story about my name. Remember that. Whenever if I'm asking, I never going to forget his name because the discussion happened about his name. Then immediately, whenever I made a phone call, hey, Parikshit bhai, how are you? I never going to pronounce a sir, something like Parikshit bhai, how are you, man? How the things going on? Just like a close friend. How we are communicating, that attachment, that effectiveness by default will be there in our communication. If you call by name, link every name, okay, with some concept, then you can remember well. This is the technique usually I'm using.